So we start the video by command errors. We type in this command. It gives you information about main board in use. Next, we see RAM. Memory get back label device locator. It has 2 RAM as you see. Each of them has a capacity of 4 GB. The OS get caption. This command gives you information about the operating system. Sound dev get caption. This command gives you information about the sound. Product get name, that is software. This one lets you know about the software installed in your computer. Which, as you can see, my software that I installed in my computer. It will let you know about it. Next, this drive get model size. This gives you information about hard disk drive. Then the logical disk get name size. The part Win32 video controller get name. This command gives you information about the graphic card. Then the last link get caption. Then see what it gives. It gives you information about the computer network card. So thank you guys for staying with me to the end of this video. This is my YouTube channel. I hope you guys enjoyed, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, turn on your notification bell to see more upcoming videos, and please follow me on my TikTok, as you all see. Then we'll say bye to the next video.